home to show here in the incredible community of Midline is here. Finally, we're taking a look at Toll Brothers. And so we're in the price point of $670 to about the $810 range, 3,200 square feet to about 4,750 square feet in total. There's 6 floor plans here that Toll Brothers has currently. And right now we're taking a look at the Dana plan that is their current largest plan here offered right now. It's customizable between 4 to 5 bedrooms, 4 to 5 bathrooms. There's 1 half bath, 3-car garage, and this one is a giant plan, 4634 or more, depending on what you add, if you add on bedrooms or bathrooms. It starts at $802,995 to build this plan. So there is one inventory that is in the $1 million range due to the 5th bedroom and bathroom being added on, in addition to the media room, the 2-story covered patio. So just some things to keep in mind when you go to possibly build this plan or looking at inventory homes. Sometimes you can save a bit on doing the inventory since it's already under construction, but a lot of times they end up adding quite a bit of upgrades to their inventory plans. This room here would make an amazing mother-in-law suite. But as we take a look back here, we see so much storage options, which is one of the reasons this plan is so great. Mudroom, you do have the laundry that is connected to the primary closet, as you can see kind of to the left there. Curved staircase. This is the half bath. Lovely wallpaper work here in this bathroom. And then we reach the 2-story living space. Tons of windows. Very open. The fireplace here is also optional and is considered an upgrade. And then you can see up top there the open to below floor plan from the 2nd floor. You got the built-in cabinetry here on either side of the fireplace. Another amazing view of the open to below. And then the stunning kitchen. Basically that whole back wall there is nothing but cabinets and countertops and an amazing kitchen space. Look at that. Tons of cabinets. A great amount of space for kitchen prep if you need it. More prep area here in the breakfast nook space. Lots of windows here. Definitely going to take you out back and look at this incredible patio and layout for the backyard. They've really kind of put here what is possible here in this plan. They've added the outdoor kitchen. Great counter space there for prep. Pool area. So obviously this lot size is a premium lot. It's definitely larger. but gives you some incredible ideas for putting a pool out in your backyard. Cocktail pools have become so popular these days too. And just look at this amazing patio here, very large. Back to the back here is the primary bedroom. Luxurious tray ceilings. Incredible built-ins here. Of course, the built-ins don't come standard. That would be an add-on, but it definitely completes the space, I would say for sure. Separate vanities, tub in the middle. Linen closet. Another linen closet. Love that. Really no shortage of closets. You really can't have too many of them, if I'm being honest. And what an incredible primary closet you have here. I definitely have to show you the access to the laundry from the primary closet. Love that. Tons of space to work here. And then an amazing walk-in shower. Lovely. This is something that truly sets Toll Brothers apart here. If you've got a budget between $600,000 and $800,000, consider Toll Brothers. They're an incredible builder. Luxurious finishes. You know you're getting top quality. Tons of open to below space here in the front, as you can see here, and all around in the back towards the living area. Loft area. This would make a great game room. Great lounge area, or both, like you see here. And then off to this side, you've got the bedrooms. So here on the second floor, you've got 3 bedrooms up here and a media room. Each bedroom has its own bathroom. Good sized bathroom. Frameless showers. And of course, walk-in closets. Great size game closet, linen closet, tons of stuff you could do in that closet there. Bedroom number 2 up here. You really can see how you can double up the beds here in this room. with plenty of closet space too. And lovely media room. This is kind of sunk back in between the game room area, so no windows at all. And then up here is the third bedroom up here. So this is an upgrade. This is what creates the fifth bedroom here. Good sized, another bedroom with its own bathroom. This room is set a little bit away from the other two rooms on the other side of the game room. So this could be a good mother-in-law suite, could be a good study, anything you really want to make it here. And then back to the game room. Let me know what you think about this plan. There's so many options you can do with it. Let me know if you need any info, and I'll see you on the next video.